Yeah, how I'm going to run my business is basically I want to have my own home office, doing my transactions of services and goods to other locations, basing on few components such as PCs, laptop, telephone, server, then interconnecting all that using a router as well as having a good printer, having cable connection as well as having Wi-Fi connection, having sections for traveling, co-workers. So I need a travel agency. I'm going to be running a travel agency. So having a traveling co-workers PC there, then running an IT support section. So have a desk for that purpose and serve the services and goods for IT support, service and goods from traveling location, traveling destination, and I'm gonna have a customer support team, the switchboard that is gonna be used in my business, so I can divert the appropriate customer to their appropriate location, and all that is run through a chain of order is known as. I'm going to have a cabinet file. Then in the first file box I'll have email in there, the second file box I'll have documents in there, third file box I'll have phone documentaries in there, and in the fourth file box I'll have the web pages in there of my customers and my suppliers. Then in the second to last file box I'll have IDs in there, and of course I'll have routers in all of the different designated areas within my business. Be it be the service provider that is going to be routing, or be it going to be the customer's router who is going to be routing, or be it be the supplier and the seller, myself, or trader or transactor, myself, my routers going to be there. And that is the infrastructure that I'm going to be using. Building on this infrastructure, hopefully I'll run my business and make millions and millions of pounds, and it's going to be a successful business hopefully. And it's going to be, as I said, it's going to be basing on selling goods as well as services. So I'll sell stuff like clothes, shoes, um, confectionaries, stationaries, cosmetics. I'll sell these kind of goods, and as well as at the same time, I sell services such as teaching, educating, tutorial services, teach math classes, to tuitioning of maths classes, to tuitioning of like basic maths to little kids. So these kind of service I'll be working on. So hopefully it'll go good with me, and I'll come up with a very successful business and a very successful company of mine. And this company is called uh, Freelance uh, Freelance IT Infrastructure. That's what it calls. It's got a name, Freelance IT Infrastructure. So freelance IT infrastructure. From there, I'm going to do my the business, sell my services and goods to others. I'll use all sorts of websites, such as nowadays I can use my Zoom to teach online, use YouTube tutorials, use Zooms, and this is how I can reach to my customers and clients. You can subscribe to my channel, and you can press the bell icon to reach all the good notifications in time. And you can also comment on any of my issues and on any of my topics I teach, as well as you can download the tutorials and listen and learn from the tutorials. And as well, you can message me any question, any queries you want to ask, and I'll get back to you through my email. That's the way I'm going to run this business and small company of mine. Hopefully, it's going to be very welcoming one, and you get a lot to learn from this company of mine.